Jai Hind everybody. Today I am starting the new chapter circles. The first thing, what is a circle? So just look at these points. Just look at these points. If we join them, these points are joined. These points are joined. And just look at the distances of these points. This distance, this distance, this distance, this distance, this distance, this distance, and this distance. From this point O, this point O. Let this is point A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E, this is F, this is G, and etc. etc. Just look at these points A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. These are the points on a plane. And there is any point O in the plane also. If you join all these points A, B, C, D, E, F, G, then just look at this collection. And this distance OA, OB, OC, OD, OE, OF, OG, they are looking equal. So these collection of points is known as the circle. And what is the property of these points? These points means A, B, C, D, E, F, G, etc. etc. These points are at a equal distance from the point O. So such collection of points which are equidistant from a fixed point is known as circle. Known as circle. अब जो आपका ये फिक्स पॉइंट होता है O, this fixed point is called the center of the circle, and this constant distance, that is OA, OB, OC, etc. etc., they are known as the radii of the circle. Radii means the plural of the radius. If OA is the radius, OB is the radius, then OA, OB, OC, etc. etc., they are the radii of the circle. So what is a circle? A circle is a collection of all points in a plane which are at a constant distance from a fixed point. Is it okay? The fixed point is called the center of the circle, and the constant distance is called as the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle. Now, one more thing is there. If you are given a line and a circle, अगर आपको एक लाइन और एक सर्कल दिया हुआ है तो क्या हो सकता है? जस्ट लुक हियर. सपोज दिस इज द गिवन सर्कल. ये आपको सर्कल गिवन है, ठीक है, और ये आपको एक लाइन गिवन है, दिस लाइन AB, or you can say अब अगर आपको एक सर्कल और एक लाइन गिवन है तो देखो क्या हो सकता है, आइदर दिस लाइन विल इंटरसेक्ट द सर्किल और दिस विल नॉट इंटरसेक्ट द सर्किल। तो ये तो पहली कंडीशन है कि अगर लाइन जो है सर्किल को इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करती है, इफ द लाइन इज नॉट इंटरसेक्टिंग द सर्किल, तब तो ये ऐसे होगा अलग अलग। और सपोज ये लाइन इसको इंटरसेक्ट करती है, सपोज ये जो गिवन लाइन है ये सर्किल को इंटरसेक्ट करती है, तो जस्ट लुक एट द पॉसिबिलिटीज। अब या तो बेटा ये ऐसे इंटरसेक्ट करेगी, ये चलेगी आपकी लाइन, ये आपकी लाइन है, इसने सर्किल को कितनी जगह इंटरसेक्ट किया, 2। पहली कंडीशन तो ये है कि जो लाइन है आपकी या तो सर्किल को इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करेगी ऐसे, और जब इंटरसेक्ट करेगी तो ये 2 कंडीशन पॉसिबल हैं, या तो ये 2 जगह इंटरसेक्ट करेगी और या किसी एक पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट करेगी। किसी एक पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट करने का मतलब इसको यहां पे टच करते हुए निकलेगी, ठीक है। तो जस्ट लुक एट दिस लाइन सेगमेंट which intersect a circle at 2 distinct points. This is called secant, and that line segment which intersect only at one point, that is called the secant of a circle. Secant of a circle, secant to a circle, and this point where the tangent touch the circle is called point of contact. Point of contact. Is it okay? So now what is a secant? A line which intersects a circle in 2 distinct points. 2 distinct points is called the secant of a circle. Or a tangent is a line which intersects a circle exactly at one point. So now it is clear. Now we have the theorem. A tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. अभी मैंने बताया कि what is the point of contact, जहां पर टेंजेंट सर्किल को टच करता है। जस्ट लुक एट दिस फिगर, दिस P इज कॉल्ड द पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट। तो मेरे को यही प्रूफ करना है कि सपोज ये आपका कोई गिवन सर्किल है, सपोज दिस इज द गिवन सर्किल COR, C for circle, first symbol written O means that is written सेंटर ऑफ द सर्किल, और कॉमा के बाद R लिखा हुआ है, दैट इज द रेडियस। तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया कि एक सर्किल है जिसका सेंटर O है एंड रेडियस R है, अ सर्किल C एंड ए टेंजेंट AB एट पॉइंट P। दिस इज द फिगर, दिस इज द सर्किल with center O and this is the tangent AB at point P. And what is the P? P is the point of contact. And you have to prove that tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius, where at the point of contact. This is what we have to prove, that this tangent AB is perpendicular to OP, or OP perpendicular AB. AB perpendicular this or OP perpendicular AB. Is it there? Now just look at the proof of this. Suppose this is the point Q other than P on tangent AB. मैंने क्या किया कि टेंजेंट पे पहले से कौन सा पॉइंट था, P, जो कि पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट था। मैंने उसके अलावा एक दूसरा पॉइंट ले लिया, विच वन, Q. ठीक है, we take a point Q. Take a point Q other than P on the tangent AB. Join OQ. ये मैंने OQ को ज्वाइन किया, O से Q को ज्वाइन किया, और ये क्या करता है, दिस OQ intersect or meet a circle at point R. Join OQ meeting the circle at point R. Is it okay? Now just look at the proof. Just look at this figure. What is here? OP is equal to OR. OP is equal to OR. Is it there? Because both are the radii of same circle. OP is equal to OR. Why they are equal? Because OP and OR, these are the radii of the circle. Another thing, can you tell me what is the value of OQ? What is the value of OQ? OQ is the sum of OR and QR. OR plus QR is OQ. OQ is equal to this OR plus QR. What does it mean? आपको दे रखा है कि OQ इज इक्वल टू OR प्लस QR. इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ कि OQ जो है OR से बड़ा है, OR से बड़ा है, क्योंकि OR में when we are adding QR then we have OQ, तब हमें OQ मिलता है. कब मिलता है OQ? जब OR में QR को ऐड करते हैं. इसका मीनिंग क्या हो गया कि जो OQ है, OQ इज ग्रेटर देन OR. एंड व्हाट अबाउट OR? OR is equal to the OP. If OQ is greater than OR, then OQ will also greater than OP. OQ will greater than OP. इसका मीनिंग हो गया कि OP is the shorter than any other line segment joining O to any point on AB. इसी तरीके से क्या है कि अगर मैं यहाँ पे और पॉइंट ले लूँ इस AB के ऊपर, तो वो सारे क्या होंगे, शॉर्टर होंगे. मतलब उनमें क्या होगा, जो OP है वो शॉर्टर होगा. और क्लास 9 पे हमने एक थ्योरम पढ़ी है कि जो शॉर्टर होता है ऑफ द टू लाइन सेगमेंट्स, यानी जो सबसे छोटा वाला होता है, दैट इज द परपेंडिकुलर. इट मीन्स OP इज द शॉर्टेस्ट. और OP इज द शॉर्टेस्ट मीन्स OP इज परपेंडिकुलर टू AB. OP is perpendicular to AB. Now this is theorem number 2, कि the lengths of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. यानी अगर हम किसी सर्कल पर किसी एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट से टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करते हैं, तो वो टेंजेंट का लेंथ क्या होता है कि इक्वल. तो जस्ट सी द फिगर. सपोज दिस इज अ गिवन सर्कल. ओके, its center is O, and here is any point P. This P is the external point. Okay, then let these are the tangents. I am taking only two tangents. This PA and PB, these are the tangents. So we have to prove कि PA is equal to PB. PA is equal to PB. Again, just look at the theorem. Suppose you are given a circle with center O. P is an external point from where these two tangents AP and BP are drawn. AP and BP are drawn. So we have to prove that this AP and BP are equal. AP and BP are equal. So just look what we are given first. we are given a circle, same thing, C, comma OR, okay. An external point P from where two tangents, which one? PA and PB are drawn. Is it there? And what we have to prove? We have to prove the length of these two tangents are equal. That is, PA is equal to PB, we have to prove. PA is equal to PB, we have to prove. Now just look at the construction work. Construction work. Just look here. This color, ये मैंने ज्वाइन कर दिए. OA, OB एंड OP. क्या क्या ज्वाइन कर दिए? OA, OB एंड OP. Join OA, OB and OP. Is it there? Now we have two triangles, OAP and OBP. Now just look at the proof. In triangles, which one? OAP, OAP and triangle OBP. Is it there? Now just look here. First thing, angle OAP is equal to angle OBP. Both will be 90 degree. और कहाँ से? फ्रॉम थ्योरम 1. थ्योरम 1 क्या कहती है? कि दिस रेडियस इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द टेंजेंट एट द पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट. दिस इज बोथ आर 90 डिग्री. अनदर थिंग, जस्ट लुक, OP, OP is common both the triangles. OP is the common side for both the triangle. OA is equal to OB. This OA is equal to OB. Why they are equal? Because they are the radii of same circle. क्योंकि दोनों क्या हैं? एक ही सर्किल की रेडियाई हैं. तो we can write here radii of same circle. So now the triangles are congruent. By which rule? Just look here. This is given 90 degree. Okay. And then this side, which is just opposite to 90 degree angle, that is called hypotenuse. And this is the side. So by RHS rule, the triangles are congruent. By RHS congruency rule, triangles are congruent. Triangles are congruent, and then we will use CPCT. So what will happen from CPCT? These two line segments will be equal. AP is equal to BP, or PA will be equal to PB. Is it okay? If these two triangles are congruent, then by CPCT, this PA will be equal to PB, and this We have to prove. This we have to prove. Now just look here. This is your x at 10.1. Xi is 10.1. First question is this, कि how many tangents can a circle have? Just look here. Suppose this is a circle and just look here. We can draw a tangent here. We can draw a tangent here. We can draw a tangent here. We can draw the tangents here. Okay, we can draw the tangents here. So there are many tangents to a circle. So what is the answer of this? There are infinitely many tangents can be drawn to a circle. Now this is question number 2. You fill in the blanks. The first one is this. A tangent to a circle intersects it in, मैंने बताया था टेंजेंट केवल एक पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट करता है, तो व्हाट शुड बी द आंसर? 1 पॉइंट. अ लाइन इंटरसेक्टिंग ए सर्किल इन 2 पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड, अभी मैंने बताया, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ सेकेंड. अ सर्किल कैन हैव डैश पैरेलल टेंजेंट्स एट द मोस्ट. जस्ट लुक हियर. दिस वाज द एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ फर्स्ट पार्ट. This is the explanation of question 1. Now just look explanation of these two. Second question, third part. Just look here. Suppose this is a tangent here and this is the another tangent. These two are parallel. These two are parallel. If I draw any tangent here, so will this parallel to this? The question is this, a circle can have parallel tangent at the most. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कितने tangent parallel हो सकते हैं आपस में? Tangent, only 2 tangents are parallel. Okay, only 2 tangents are parallel to a circle. Next, the common point of a tangent to a circle is called, ये बताया था मैंने अभी, this one, this point, that is called the point of contact. Point of contact. Now, just look at question number 3. A tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 cm meets a line through the center O at a point Q so that OQ is equal to 12. Then find the length of PQ. A tangent PQ. This is the figure. This is O. Question is this: a tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 cm. This is the radius of this circle. How much? 5 cm. P is the any point here. Question is this: a tangent PQ, this one. This will be point P and this is the point Q. A tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 cm meets a line through the center O at point Q. At point Q so that OQ is equal to 12 cm. This one. How much this OQ is given? 12 cm. Okay. So find the length of PQ. Find the length of PQ. Now just look here. This one, this OP will be perpendicular to OQ. because radius is perpendicular to the point of contact. So just look at this triangle. We have to find the length of what? The length of PQ. In right triangle OPQ, tell me this OQ square will be equal to this one OP square plus PQ square. From here PQ square will be equal to OQ square minus OP square. That is 12 square is this one OQ, or minus 5 square. 144 minus 5, that is 109. So therefore PQ will be under root 119 centimeter. 119 centimeter. Now this is question number 4. कि draw a circle and two lines parallel to a given line. आप एक सर्किल ड्रॉ कीजिए. दिस इज द सर्किल. ड्रॉ ए सर्किल एंड टू लाइंस पैरेलल टू ए गिवन लाइन. सपोज ये आपकी जो है गिवन लाइन है, दिस वन. ये आपकी जो है, दिस इज द गिवन लाइन. क्वेश्चन ये है, ड्रॉ ए सर्किल. ड्रॉ कर दिया एंड टू लाइंस पैरेलल टू ए गिवन लाइन सच दैट वन इज टेंजेंट और अदर इज सीकेंट. दिस इज द गिवन लाइन. दिस इज द गिवन लाइन. अब आपने दो लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है जो कि इसके पैरेलल हो और उनमें से एक सीकेंट हो और एक टेंजेंट हो. तो जस्ट लुक हियर. दिस इज, suppose this is line L which was given and this is line M which is the secant, and this N is tangent to the circle. Is it okay? Line M क्या है? Line M is the secant और लाइन एल क्या है? टेंजेंट. लाइन एल क्या है? टेंजेंट. इज इट ओके? तो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू वेरी मच.